Welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about a legend that just made a powerful comeback, the 2026 Toyota FJ. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement of toughness, durability, and adventure. Toyota has shocked everyone by bringing the FJ back, and trust me, you won't believe what this beast is capable of. From the outside, the design is instantly recognizable yet completely refreshed for a new generation. The boxy retro styling is still there, paying tribute to the original FJ Cruiser, but now it's sharper, bolder, and futuristic. The massive front grille, round LED headlights with modern daytime running lights, and rugged bumper give it a fearless look. The wide fenders, chunky tires, and high ground clearance scream off-road power. This SUV looks ready to conquer deserts, mountains, and jungles all in one go, but the real surprise is what's inside. Toyota has completely redesigned the cabin to blend rugged durability with modern technology. The dashboard is bold and functional, featuring a large digital display cluster for the driver and a wide infotainment screen in the center. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest smart features. Everything feels sturdy and practical, yet refined. The kind of interior that can handle dirt trails while still giving you comfort on highways. The steering wheel feels solid, with multifunction controls and Toyota's signature toughness. The seats are supportive, available in water-resistant materials, and built to endure adventure. And yes, Toyota even added ambient lighting and premium touches so you don't miss out on that modern luxury feel. Performance is where the FJ really makes jaws drop. Depending on the trim, the 2026 FJ offers powerful hybrid and turbocharged options, delivering serious horsepower with amazing fuel efficiency. Paired with Toyota's legendary 4x4 system, locking differentials, crawl control, and terrain modes, this SUV can tackle literally anything. Mud, rocks, snow, sand, nothing stands a chance. And Toyota didn't forget safety. The FJ is loaded with Toyota Safety Sense, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and advanced off-road cameras that let you see obstacles under the car. That's right, off-roading just got a whole lot easier and safer. In the back, you get plenty of space for passengers and gear. Toyota designed the rear to be functional for road trips and expeditions, with foldable seats and tons of cargo options. And of course, the iconic rear-mounted spare tire is back, completing that tough FJ look everyone remembers. The 2026 Toyota FJ isn't just an SUV, it's a rebirth of an icon, a reminder of why Toyota dominates the off-road world. It's rugged, it's advanced, and it's ready for the future. Whether you're a hardcore adventurer or just someone who loves bold SUVs, this one will shock you with what it delivers. So what do you think? Has Toyota just created the best off-roader of the decade? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.